Hi everyone, and welcome to What's Cooking Mug Edition. My name is Miss Alexis and I work at the Asheboro Public Library in the children's room. Today we're going to be making macaroni and cheese. If you haven't already washed your hands, you can pause the video here to do so. Let's go ahead and go over our ingredients. You will need 1/3 cup of macaroni noodles, 3/4 cup of cold water, 4 tablespoons of milk, 4 tablespoons of shredded cheddar cheese, 1/2 teaspoon of cornstarch, and salt and pepper to taste. Let's go ahead and start adding ingredients into our microwave safe mug. So we're going to start by adding in our macaroni noodles and our water. Now you want to place those into the microwave for 3.5 minutes or until the pasta is fully cooked. Now that it's finished cooking, ask an adult to assist you with removing it from the microwave and draining any remaining water. Now we're going to add in our cornstarch and give that a good mix. Next, we're going to add in our milk, our salt and pepper, and our cheese. Now we're going to mix that all together. Now we're going to pop this back in the microwave for 60 seconds. Once that is finished, ask an adult to assist you with removing it from the microwave because it may be hot. Look how yummy it looks with all the melted cheese. We're going to give it one more stir. And now for the best part, the taste test. So good. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did and would like to see more, join me every 2 weeks for a new episode of What's Cooking Mug Edition. My next video will premiere on Wednesday, October 21st, and we'll be making French toast. Bye guys, have a good day.